subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook4U presents Jello Custard. Take 300 milliliters boiling water. Add strawberry flavored jelly mix into the water. Simply follow the box instructions and make the jelly. Keep stirring, let it dissolve completely. Take any deep container or muffin tray. Place a cloth over it. Place the glass as shown. Place the glass slightly tilted downward. Pour the prepared jelly mix. Let it set in a refrigerator for half an hour. Pour leftover jelly mix in a dish. Place in a refrigerator. Take 500 milliliters chilled milk. Add 3 tablespoons custard powder to make thick custard. Combine well. Now turn on the flame. Stir continuously, make sure custard doesn't stick on the bottom. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 1/3 cup sugar. Keep stirring, keep cooking. Scrape the edges too. Bring to boil. Once the milk thickens, turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. Remove in a jug. Keep in the refrigerator 2 to 3 hours, it will more thickens. The jelly is ready, cut into cubes. We will use this jelly as a toppings. Keep aside. Glass jelly is set. Pour the chilled custard over the jelly cups as shown. Repeat same for another glass. Put jelly cubes on top, optional. Garnish with glazed cherry. Serve chilled and enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.